A team of professors and students over at Texas A&M Corpus Christi have started a project to help our aging community.
Yeah, they're looking for ways to help rejuvenate human cells. Sounds like science fiction to me, but Roland Rodriguez says it is science fact. Take a look.
The last 2 years, Texas A&M University of Corpus Christi professor of life sciences Xavier Gonzalez has been reaching out to the community, in particular our aging community, collecting information like what do people eat, what type of exercises do they do, and how do they feel mentally.
The reason behind all that is so I can get an idea of what are the things that impact specifically our community here in the Coastal Bend. Just a few of those things that you can name off rapidly is one of them being diabetes, another one being obesity, but a number one factor there in this is falls.
One way to do that is by looking at commercially available human cells.
We're at a point to where we're trying to see how we can get these cells to keep rebuilding themselves so to keep them from breaking down. So using those known factors of nutrition, known factors of exercise, known factors of how the energy works inside the cell, how it gets moving.
Older cells have a tendency to stop dividing as people age, which can lead to a host of degenerative diseases. The body cleanses itself of these cells most of the time, but they can begin to pile up as an older immune system starts to break down.
We're looking at ways to keep them strong. You know, with aging, you see that the cells that start to get weak and start breaking down. What we're doing is it's a way to stimulate them so they can be better moving and that they don't break down so easily.
Gonzalez says they have the potential to lead to therapies which could help people age better.
And the long run is identify ways of treatment or suggestions of treatment for our community members so they can stay healthy and to keep their muscles strong so we can avoid things like falls.